What to do if you have no savings at 40 plus. If you're over 40 and don't have savings, it's okay. You're not alone and you're not too late. Life happens. Raising kids, paying bills, helping parents, dealing with health issues. The important thing is that you're ready to take control now. Let's talk about what to do, step by step. Step 1, understand your financial picture. Before you can build savings, you need to know where you are. Take a moment to write down your monthly income, fixed expenses, debts, and any savings or assets you do have. Don't judge yourself. This is just information. Seeing the full picture helps you make better decisions and lowers the stress of the unknown. Step 2, build a small emergency fund. An emergency fund is the first layer of financial protection. If you don't have one, your first goal isn't investing, it's safety. Start small, aim for $500, then build up to 1 month of expenses. Even if you can only save $10 or $25 a week, it matters. Keep this money in a separate account so you're not tempted to use it. This fund gives you peace of mind and helps you avoid more debt. Step 3, pay off high-interest debt. Debt with high interest, like credit cards, keeps you stuck. Focus on paying off the card with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the rest. This is called the avalanche method. Every payment helps. If you're overwhelmed, talk to a credit counselor. There are free or low-cost options. You don't have to do this alone. Step 4, automate your good habits. One of the best financial tools is automation. Set up automatic transfers to savings or your emergency fund. Automate minimum debt payments so you never miss one. Once that's working, set up automatic contributions to retirement accounts. Automation helps you stay on track without relying on willpower. Step 5, start investing. It's not too late. Even if you're starting at 40 or later, you still have time to grow your money. If your job offers a 401k, try to contribute enough to get the match. It's free money. If you don't have access to that, open an IRA or Roth IRA. Start small, even $50 to $100 a month. Compound interest rewards consistency, not perfection. Step 6, focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect to make progress. Life won't always go according to plan, and that's okay. Just keep moving forward. Each smart choice adds up. Don't compare yourself to others, compare yourself to yesterday. You're taking action now, and that's what matters. Final thoughts. Starting at 40 doesn't mean you've failed. It means you've lived. And now with experience and clarity, you can make smarter choices for your future. You don't need to do everything overnight. Start with one small step. Build momentum. Keep going. Your future is still in your hands.